move at all. So this is my foundation side with the veil on, the concealer on, and the foundation, liquid foundation, and a loose powder on top. This side is just a little corrector where I feel it needs correcting, and just a little bit of foundation where I feel it needs it. Now, what I do like to do is I like to add a little bit of bronzer to this side because I haven't used any real foundation. I can use a powder. So I'm just going to use my Sun Glow powder. It's also known as Summer Sun. I'm just going to add a little bit here and use this in a way as a little bit of a foundation just to add a nice touch of glow. And because it is a powdery situation, I'll do the same. To be fair, I'll do the same on the other side. It doesn't quite sit as well as on the loose powder on the other side. So I do find it a little bit easier to work here than here. Now the next thing I want to do is brush. So that's a heavy makeup. Now these products are pretty good anyways, but the only problem with them is they have dimethicone, silicone-based, which is a forever chemical. They're also heavily perfumed, which I can really smell the perfume from here. And it also, eventually, the concealer and the liquids do get into the fine lines and go in. So depending on the thickness of the foundation, I haven't really applied too thick a foundation, but some foundations can be basically like, I would call it like putty on the skin. Or anyway, let's do the blush department. This is mistake number, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to apply a touch of blusher. Now on the incorrect side, I'm going to smile. And I'm going to apply the blusher to the smiley area. On this side, I'm just going to apply a touch, just a tiny dab of blush just to here. Just to give it a nice glow, basically. Now you can see the mistake here. This blush has dropped down now. This blush has stayed up. Also, I applied a little bit of blush more on this side than on this side. Okay, so that is a little bit of the face. Now let's look at the eyes. So let's see about this. So I'm just going to apply my eyeliner. So on this side, let me do this properly. We'll bring up my eyes up and I'm going to apply. And this side, I'm just going to keep it as is and just apply like so. Now I'm going to get a medium, it's a medium light brown shade, and I'm going to just, this is kind of called peach, and I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow all across the eyes here, the eyelid. On this side, I'm going to apply a little bit to the outside, and then I'm going to feel for the brow, for the eye socket, the brow bone above the crease line, and I'm going to apply the eyeshadow here. And I'm just going to get a nude colour here, and I'm going to apply a nude colour underneath and going all the way down with a kind of a highlighter, I suppose, right down here to the crease line. Whereas here I'm just going to go a little bit above the area just under the eyebrow, so I'm not going down as far. And then I'm just going to get my, oh, where has it gone to? I like to get my foundation, this is a foundation brush I use I'm just going to join it up together with this brush. So now I'm going to apply eyeliner all the way along, right to the inner area of the eye. And here I'm just going to kind of try to use less and just closer to the eyelashes. And not going all the way in, just and underneath slightly, whereas underneath here I'm going to go all the way across. And now to finish up, just because I'm not going to do anything with the lips yet, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of lipstick and see what you think between the two sides. I haven't applied any mascara, I just wanted to give you a quick insight. So, yes, this is not hiding as much on this side, but I feel my skin can breathe. It allows a natural, the natural skin to glow, show through. So I've not covered everything on my face on this side, whereas here everything has been covered. I had a veil, I've had a corrector, concealer under the eyes, and then a foundation, liquid foundation, and then a powder on top. So yes, probably in this in the camera it looks covered, but it doesn't. It feels like I've got a mask on. And I also, again, as I said, I'm very against the perfume that they put in products with the phthalates and what have you. And also the silicone, I'm basically covered with a protective layer of silicone. Whereas this side, my skin can breathe, I've got a natural glow, and it's more natural looking. Again, with the eyebrows, these eyebrows for me are way too dark. For you, it might be fine. It all depends on your own skin. But if you are grey or you're very light, then you need to go with lighter. Also, if you apply your eyebrow pencil too far down here, it's going to drag your face down. Now going to the blush placement, the placement of the blush is up here, whereas because I smiled, the blush is drooped down. So it's bringing the eye downwards. We want the eye to come up to your beautiful eyes. And again with the eyes, you see the difference. This eye looks closed up because it's dark all the way across the eyelid, whereas this eyelid is completely free of product. So what do you think of this look? Do you prefer the natural way or do you prefer the covered way? As I said, the products that I used in the covered way are all good products. They're not, the only problem with them is they have perfume and they have silicone in. So let me know and have a great day and stay beautiful. And it's bye from me and bye from, come on Kiki, say hello. Ah, there we go. Finally, there's Kiki. She was with me all the time behind me. So bye from Kiki.